time. We are going to see another story today. Okay, today's story is about an elephant and a tailor. Who is a tailor? A tailor is a person who stitches our clothes, who prepares our uniform, our dresses, pants and shirt or skirt, whatever you want. You order him, giving him the piece of cloth, he will stitch it and give you. Okay, so we are going to see the story about a tailor and an elephant. What happened? What did the elephant do? What did the tailor do? What happened at the end of the story? Okay, so I am reading out the story. Just listen. A village temple used to keep an elephant. So generally, where do we see an elephant? In the forest or in a zoo, or especially in the temples. When we go to temples, we find their elephants are there, isn't it? Because what they do when we go to the elephant near in the temple, what it does? It keeps its nose, that is trunk, on our head and blesses us. Okay, so here also in a village there is a temple, and in the temple there is an elephant. The elephant greeted devotees visiting the temple at the entrance. So the elephant was at the entrance of the temple, and the devotees, those who come to the temple, the elephant used to greet them. Everyone loved the elephant. So everyone liked the elephant very much. Every evening the elephant would go to a pond to take a dip. So every evening what happened? The elephant would go to the pond, a place where water is there, and then it would take a dip. It will have a bath. On the way he would stop at a tailor's shop and raise his trunk to greet the tailor. So on his way back, when he is returning from the pond, he used to stop at the tailor's shop. And what he will do there? He raises his trunk. Trunk means long nose. Okay. So he used to raise his trunk and greet the tailor. The tailor used to offer the elephant a banana. So what did the tailor do? He gave a banana to the elephant. So every day on his way back to the temple, the elephant would stop near the tailor's shop and greet him, and the tailor would give the elephant a banana. The elephant would gulp it down, thank the tailor by raising his trunk and walk away. So what the elephant used to do after taking the banana? It used to eat it up, swallow it, and then thank the tailor. How does it thank the tailor? By raising his trunk, he used to thank the tailor and walk away. One evening the tailor was in a mischievous mood. So one evening what happened? The tailor was in a very mischievous mood. That means they want to make some mischievous things, that is some funny things. When the elephant greeted him and stretched his trunk to collect the banana, the tailor playfully pricked the elephant with a needle. So what happened? Like every day, the elephant, after going to the pond, coming back, it greeted the tailor and stretched his trunk. Why did it stretch his trunk? Because the tailor would give him a banana every day. So today what happened? The tailor playfully pricked the elephant with a needle. So what did the tailor do? Instead of giving the banana, he pricked the elephant with a needle. Pricked means to poke it. With the needle, you know what is a needle? You use for stitching the clothes, isn't it? So it is very sharp, and if you prick it, what happens? It hurts you. So the elephant winked in pain. The elephant also got pain, and it was shouting with pain. The tailor laughed loudly, and the tailor was enjoying when it was in pain and moving here and there with pain. The tailor was laughing loudly. The wounded animal walked away. So even though it was wounded, the elephant did not do anything. Silently it went away. Next day, as usual, the elephant went to the pond for a bath. So next day what happened? Again the elephant went to the pond to have a bath. On the way back, he stopped at another pond with muddy water. So what did the elephant do? While coming back, he stopped at another pond. What was there in another pond? There was muddy water. The water was not clean, not neat. So it took the muddy water. Then he walked purposely to the tailor's shop. Then it went to the tailor's shop. The tailor was busy with his work. So what was the tailor doing? He was very busy with his work. He had stitched several dresses and had ironed and neatly arranged them. So he had many of dresses to stitch. So he stitched all the dresses and nicely ironed it and neatly kept it at one place. He was admiring his work when he saw the elephant stop at his shop and raise his trunk. So he was looking at his work, how nicely I have done, how neatly I have done. He was admiring his work. But then what happened? The elephant came to the shop and stopped there and raised his trunk. The next moment, the elephant sent forth a spray of muddy water and drenched the newly stitched clothes. So what did the elephant do? With the trunk, he sprayed all the muddy water on the clothes, newly stitched clothes. What all the new clothes which the tailor has stitched and ironed it and neatly arranged, on that the elephant sprayed the muddy water. The tailor was shocked. So the tailor was shocked because every day the elephant was so good. It was coming and taking a banana and thanking him and going away, and next on a before day when he pricked the elephant, he did not do anything. But today what he did? He sprayed the muddy water on the new dresses and spoiled everything. So the tailor was shocked. He joined his hands in salutation. So afterwards what he did? He joined his hands and said, "Serves me right, friend. I was naughty to you and you have returned the compliment." So he said, "You are right. Yesterday I was very naughty with you. I hurted you. So you also have given me the same punishment." So then the tailor assured his friend, "I will never hurt you again." So then he said to the elephant that, "I will never hurt you again. I am sorry." The elephant nodded his head, raised his trunk and walked away majestically. So what happened? The elephant nodded his head. Okay, it said okay, and then raised his trunk and walked away majestically. So went away from there. So did you understand the story? Once I will read the story again, then I will ask you some questions. A village temple used to keep an elephant. The elephant greeted devotees visiting the temple at the entrance. Everyone loved the elephant. Every evening, the elephant would go to the pond to take a dip. On the way, he would stop at the tailor's shop and raise his trunk to greet the tailor. The tailor used to offer the elephant a banana. The elephant would gulp it down, thank the tailor, and raising his trunk and walked away. One evening, the tailor was in a mischievous mood. When the elephant greeted him and stretched his trunk to collect the banana, the tailor playfully pricked the elephant with a needle. The elephant winced in pain. The tailor laughed loudly. The wounded elephant walked away. Next day, as usual, the elephant went to the pond for a bath. On the way back, he stopped at another pond with muddy water. Then he walked purposefully to the tailor's shop. The tailor was busy with his work. He had stitched several dresses and had ironed and neatly arranged them. He was admiring his work when he saw the elephant stop at his shop and raise his trunk. The next moment, the elephant sent forth a spray of muddy water and drenched the newly stitched clothes. The tailor was shocked. He joined his hands in salutation. "Serves me right, friend. I was naughty to you and you have returned the compliment." Then the tailor assured his friend, "I will never hurt you again." The elephant nodded his head, raised his trunk and walked away majestically. So did you understand the story? I'll ask you some questions. Check it. Where was the elephant in the village? Where was the elephant? It was in the temple. What did the elephant do when the devotees came? When the devotees came, he used to greet them. On his way back from pond, where did the elephant stop? Where did the elephant stop while returning from the pond? It stopped at the tailor's shop. What did the tailor give the elephant? Every day what did the tailor give to the elephant? He gave a banana. What did the tailor do one day when the elephant stretched his trunk? So every day he used to give a banana, but one day what happened? When it stretched his trunk, what happened? The tailor took a needle and pricked it. What happened to the elephant? It was in pain, but it went out quietly. Next day, what did the elephant do? Next day, the elephant took the muddy water and sprayed the muddy water on the newly stitched clothes and spoiled everything. What did the tailor do? He understood the mistake what he has done and he told sorry to the elephant. So what is the moral of the story? The moral of the story is that we should never hurt anyone even for fun. So did you understand the story? So what you have to do next? You have to try to answer these questions in your own words and then post a video of your story which you are not going to read. You are going to tell it in your own words. Okay?